Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of gym etiquette and sharing some pro tips on how to properly work out. First up, let's talk about resistance bands. If you're using them, remember to keep the door open. This is not only for safety reasons, but also to signal that you're using the space. And if you need it for longer, make sure to ask permission from the gym staff. Now, when it comes to free weights like dumbbells and barbells, always return them to their rightful place when you're done using them. This helps keep the gym clean and organized for everyone. Moving on to cardio equipment. If you're using a machine, make sure to give it a quick wipe down when you're done. It shows respect for the equipment and creates a cleaner environment for everyone else too. Finally, let's talk about rest days. If you need a break day from the gym, remember to cancel your membership instead of just not showing up. This ensures that the gym staff can plan accordingly and avoids any misunderstandings or unresolved issues between you and the gym. So there you have it, folks. Follow these pro tips, and you'll be a valued member of your local gym in no time. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness advice and inspiration. Stay fit and keep pushing those limits.